So the question in this video is, how long does raw ground beef last in the fridge? The simple answer is that it should last about 1 to 2 days. There are sources that claim that you can keep raw ground beef for 3 to 5 days in the fridge, but I personally wouldn't risk it. Whenever you want to store it for longer, put it in the freezer, but more about that now. So 1 to 2 days is best to leave raw ground beef in the fridge. Whenever you want to store it for a longer amount of time, you put it into the freezer, because there you have 0 degrees Fahrenheit and lower. And with this, you can store it almost indefinitely. The recommended period is about 4 months, because afterwards the taste is going to deteriorate. But in general, you could store ground beef forever in the freezer, so that's absolutely no problem. If you want to learn more about food and if you want to get a better cook, subscribe to Food and Fizz channel. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Bye bye.